So there are a lot of videos on YouTube where people buy a bunch of old school lottery tickets and actually win. But come on guys, we are living in the 21st century. So how about crypto lottery tickets? And yes, those three words don't sound like you should mix them together, especially if you want to keep your money. But trust me guys, this one is different. Because there is a crypto no-loss lottery called Pooltogether. No loss, that almost sounds too good to be true. And that's why in this video I'm gonna try the no-loss lottery out for the next days, weeks or months. We will see how long it takes, how much I can actually make with it, and how the whole thing works. So lean back and enjoy this video. Now this video is sponsored by the Pooltogether DAO, and they actually gave me $5,000 to deposit into the lottery. So the very first thing I have to do is to go on the website pooltogether.com, and there's this little animation video that explains their service very well. So if you want a shortcut, you can definitely check that one out. But of course, I'm gonna sum it up for you here so you know how the whole thing works. Basically, you deposit money in form of a cryptocurrency into a prize pool. The more you deposit, the more tickets you will get. So as long as you have deposited, you'll be eligible to win a prize. The prizes are usually drawn once a week, but there are different pools, which you can all join if you want to. Now here's the catch, and that's what makes it a no-loss lottery. The prize money is not the money that you deposit, but it's the interest that has been generated with it. And because there are thousands of players that all deposit their money, the interest that can be generated with that can be quite the substantial amount. And only that amount will be paid out to the winners. Now that also means that you can remove your deposit any time you want. And you will not lose any money except the transaction fees to join and leave the pool. Besides that, there's also the smart contract risk, so the possibility that it gets hacked or something, but from my assessment, that's very low. But as always guys, do your own research, and this is no financial advice. They also have a specific section here where you can learn more about the security. Now if we click on join the pool on top of the page, we will get to all the different pools. Now as you can see here, there are multiple pools, but let's check out the USDC pool, for example. If I would want to be part of the USDC pool, I would just go here, click on deposit, and choose how much I would like to deposit. As you can see, it also shows me the odds based on how much I would deposit. The more money I deposit, the better the odds to win one of the prizes. And speaking of prizes, here we can also see them for this week's USDC pool. There are 4 runner-ups and 1 grand prize, which is almost $30,000. Not bad. We can also see the pool's stats, where the interest actually comes from the past prizes and the players. As you can see here, this player has 22 million in the pool, and this one has 11 and this one 10. So their odds must be extremely high to win a prize. Now obviously we're not going to put that much money in, and that's why there's the option to join a pod right here. Now pod is a group of multiple people depositing money together in order to get higher chances and then afterwards split the prize. Because as you can see here, the odds are way better, and we can also see there's a deposit APR of around 6%, which is paid in the pool token. So what does that mean? Even if you don't win, you will constantly make at least 6% in interest in pool tokens, which is quite a nice extra. Now anyway, there's a USDC pod and a DAI pod, both stable coins. They don't go up or down, which minimizes my risk, of course. And for the sake of this experiment, we're gonna put 2,500 in each of them for a total of $5,000. Before we can do that, we have to connect our wallet here, so you can pick one of your choice. For me, it's MetaMask. Then we have to enable the protocol, and this part can be a bit confusing because it's actually like 2 times that you do something in MetaMask or your preferred wallet. So the first step is to enable the protocol to access the funds, and then we will deposit USDC, boom, and DAI. Done. Now as you can see here, the DAI prize is going to be awarded in around 7 hours, so we joined just in time for the next draw, but it's already kind of late here, so I'm going to sleep and I'll see you guys tomorrow, and maybe we already have a winner. Day number 2, guys. Did we win already? Well, that would be a lucky start for the video, so I doubt it, but let's see here. As you can see, the countdown on the die pool restarted. So if we go down here, we can see June 25th, which was yesterday, and we can click on view price. And we can see the winners here. And as we can see, there were 3 prizes, a grand prize and 2 runner-ups. Now, the Yearn Finance die users, I assume that's another pot kind of thing of multiple users depositing money together to get higher odds. They actually won 2 prizes because their odds are pretty damn high, as they collectively invested 30 million die. But also this guy here with around 60,000 die deposited 1. Now if we scroll down a bit further, we can see us in the list with 446,000 die deposited. So our chances, I guess, are not too small for the next draws. So maybe one day it will say winner where we stand. Now still, there are a lot of more chances to come. The USDC pool is ready in about 3 days. So let's see how that goes, because as long as we keep our money deposited, we have infinite chances to win. Day number 5, guys, prizes keep coming in. So let's check out if we won this one here, $48,000 total prize value. And this time there were 4 runner-ups and 1 grand prize. And as I can see here, 2 of the runner-ups went to the same guy, and the other ones were 3 different addresses. Unfortunately, not us. But what I really like about this concept is that you can really have a lot of transparency here and see what is going on behind the scenes, so to speak. So no prize for us today, I guess, but what can we expect? It's just day 5, so I see you guys with the next update. So for the next coming weeks, nothing really happened, as everything stayed pretty much the same and I was just minding my own business. On day 10 we didn't win, day 12 neither, 17 didn't win, 19 also no win, and on day 24 with the die pod we were very damn close, but eventually didn't win. That went on day 26, 30, 32, 37, 39, 44, 46, we didn't win. But at that time we already had accumulated around 2.3 pool, and we got 1.5 pool with a USDC pot. And 1 pool token right now is being worth around $13, so we already made over $30 profit at this point. Also, the winning odds for the die pot got significantly better to 1 in 22, so it was just a matter of time until we won. Day 51, no win. Day 53, 58, 60, no win. But on day 65, guys, around 10 weeks in, I went to prize and winners on the mobile, and what could I see there? Boom, we won. Ladies and gentlemen, one of the runner-up prizes was awarded to the die pod, which we were part of. So their win is our win. So congratulations to all the other winners as well. Now the question is, of course, how much did we exactly win? Well, therefore we got to go to pot.pooltogether, the page, and check our share of the pot. And for me, with around $5,000 deposited, that is 25 die, which is pretty much $25 because it's a stable coin. In addition to that comes, of course, at that point, around 5 pool that we have accumulated along the way. And at a current market price, that is actually $50 extra. Now I know, guys, you might say, well, that's not such a big amount. Well, considering I didn't lose anything, I didn't have to pay for tickets, and I was just constantly getting money and the chance to win, I think it's an extremely fair deal. And of course, guys, don't forget, it's fun. It's fun to play the lottery sometimes. It's fun to win, potentially win. It's even more fun if you can't really lose. And I also have the feeling that in the next coming days, I might be able to win with a USDC pot. That is just about overdue. But as always, guys, do your own research, check it out yourself. I'll put you all the links and resources in the description. If you have any questions about it, feel free to ask me. I think they also have a very helpful Discord, so check out that one as well if you're interested, and I'll see you guys in the next video.